Okay, I'm in the trail. Right then. What's your name?
Phil.
And you're from?
Maine.
And you came here how?
By boat. Came up the St. John River.
So you went from Maine to Bay of Fundy?
Well, we went to Grand Manan, and then from Grand Manan to St. John.
I took the ferry from Digby to St. John once. And my God, it was all green, the water.
Yep.
And when you hit St. John, it was all dark.
Brown.
Brown, filthy. Did you see the same thing?
Yes, we did.
How far from the coast is all black?
Oh, it's just before you enter the harbor itself. Maybe 2.5, 3 miles from the falls.
Okay, so you hit St. John, and you were hit by the dirty water and the smell?
No smell particularly.
No?
No. But we came up through the falls the next morning.
That's what I was getting at. So you had to do reverse and fall?
Yep.
Had a hard time?
No. Just patience. That's all it took.
And it was foggy?
No, it was clear. It was clear in St. John.
Was it?
Yep.
You got lucky.
Well, it was foggy offshore out of St. John, so you know it warms up a little bit when you hit shore, and that takes care of the fog.
Okay, so how was the trip from St. John to here?
Pretty easy. We made a number of stops.
Where?
Well, the first place we stopped after St. John was Kennebecasis Yacht Club in Kennebecasis Bay. And we stayed there a couple of days and took the bus down into St. John and did some sightseeing. And then the next one, heck if I remember where the next one was, we did stop at Gagetown.
Gagetown, I was going to say that. Aramoto?
Yes, we stopped at Aramoto. And from there we came up here.
So how long it took you from St. John to here?
Well, we weren't.
If you would have rushed, how long would it take?
2 days.
Is it beautiful?
It is, but it's very much the same. You know, down near St. John, it's all mountainous, and then you get up here a ways, and it's all farmland and pretty much flat, and it's like that for mile after mile after mile.
So, is it beautiful? Is it?
Yes, it is.
Yeah, it is. Is there a lot of traffic?
No.
Were you surprised?
A little bit. We would have seen more traffic on some of the rivers in Maine.
I was just going to ask that.
Yeah.
So you have this river in Maine. There'll be more boats?
I think so.
What do you think of Fredericton? What do you think of Fredericton?
Oh, we're just going to sightsee.
What do you think? Nice?
It is. It is. Some interesting buildings. We went to the farmer's market this morning.
Oh, yeah?
Big market. Lots of stuff.
Have you noticed the snobs?
Huh?
Have you noticed the... So, you're one of them, huh?
No, I'm not.
Okay, no problem. Thanks a lot.
Okay.
Have fun.
You do that too.